We can learn a lot about cats. Let's read some words and sentences. This cat sure is having fun. This sentence says, let's have fun. Let's have fun. Now, let's read what this says. The cat is sleeping. I saw this cat at Old MacDonald's farm, and he was fast asleep on the hay. The cat is sleeping. Let's read the next sentence. This cat is exploring snow. This cat is exploring snow. This cat doesn't seem to mind how cold the snow is on its little paws. This cat is exploring snow. Look at these cats ring the bells. It says, these cats can ring bells. Cats are very intelligent and can be trained to do lots of things. This cat is returning. See the cat slipping through the window? I think the cat accidentally got outside. This cat is returning. This cat is hungry. This is a rescue cat, and we're trying to feed the cat, but this dropper is too big, so we had to go get a smaller one for the little kitty cat. Let's read this again. This cat is hungry. This cat reads. I've never seen a cat read before, have you? I don't think this cat is really reading, but this cat sure must like to look at the words. This cat reads. This cat is standing on the piano. It says, let's play the piano. Let's play the piano. Cats love music, especially higher pitches. This cat has a toy. Let's see what kind of toy it is. And then we'll read the sentence again. This cat has a toy. Uh-oh, this is not a good place for a cat. A cat does not belong hiding in the dishwasher. Let's read that sentence again. This is not a good place for a cat. But here is a good place for a cat. This box. This sentence says, this cat sits on a box. This cat sits on a box. And speaking of boxes, look at this cat. Let's read what this says. Cats love boxes. Oh, peekaboo! Cats love boxes. This cat wants to say hello. This cat wants to say hello. Let's listen. Meow. Look at this cat trying to get in that plastic container for his food. This cat is hungry. This cat doesn't look happy. Let's find out why. The sentence says, this cat doesn't like the cake. I think this cat wanted to have strawberry cake, but oh well. Maybe next time. This cat doesn't like the cake. Now, here's something wonderful about cats. Cats are playful. Look at this little kitten playing with this box and putting her paw through. Cats are playful. Here is a little cat drinking some milk. The sentence says, this cat sure loves milk. Can you read that again with Miss Holly? This cat sure loves milk. And here's something to know about cats. Cats are silly. Look at this cat hiding underneath the box. Cats are silly. And look at these cats. What do you think they're doing? They are hanging out on their cat trees that you can have in your home. Cats love to hang out on cat trees. Let's read that again. Cats love to hang out on cat trees. Now, here's a real tree. Cats also love real trees. Cats love to climb trees. Cats love to climb trees. Let's look at these two animals together, a dog and a cat. This cat and dog are best friends. Look at them snuggling together. This cat and dog are best friends. Let's read what this says. This cat is a baby kitten. Look at the little cat walking across the carpet in slow motion. This cat is a baby kitten. Now this cat is laying on top of a computer. Let's read what this sentence says. This cat loves the computer. Cats love to sit on top of computers for the warmth and vibrations. This cat loves the computer. Look at these two cats trying to share. The sentence says, these cats are trying to share. These cats are trying to share. Now look at this cat's facial expression and see what it is doing. It's looking around. Cats are curious. Cats are curious. Look at this little cat. Cats like to hide. Let's read the sentence. Cats like to hide under covers. And let's read it one more time. Cats like to hide under covers. One of the most important things that there is to know about cats is that cats are lovable. Let's read this sentence again. Cats are lovable.
Here is a very sleepy cat, E-I-E-I-O. This little cat is sleeping now, E-I-E-I-O. She's soft and cuddly. She is so tired. She sleeps on the hay, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a cat, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cat, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there. Here a meow, there a meow, 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 meow. Old MacDonald had a cat, E-I-E-I-O.
Please subscribe to Miss Holly Teaches for more learning. Thank you so much.